Hello students. In this question we are given that two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other on either side of the roads, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. We have to find out the height of the poles and the distance of that point from the poles. So first of all, we draw the diagram. We say that let AB and CD be the two, AC and BD be the two poles, and BD be the two poles. Now these are 80 meters wide, so we say that AB, which is the width of the road, that is 80 meters. Both are of the same height. Let's say we say it's the height h meters. So this will also be h AC and BD will also be equal to h meters. AB was given equal to 80 meters. A person was standing at point P and the angle of elevations for the two poles were 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Let's say that AP is x meters. So PB would automatically become equal to 80 minus x meters. Let AP is equals to x meters, BP is equals to AB minus AP, and hence 80 minus x meters. Now we have to find out the value of x as well as h. Let's start applying the trigonometric ratios in the two triangles that are formed. First, in triangle APC, right angle triangle, we say that tan of 30 degrees will be equal to perpendicular upon base, therefore it's equal to AC by AP. Putting the value of tan 30 degrees, which is 1 by root 3, is equals to h upon x. So this is equation number 1. We try to apply the same logic in another triangle, triangle PBD. We get tan of 60 degree is equal to perpendicular, which is BD, upon base, which is PB. Substituting the values, we get that root 3 is equal to BD, which was h upon PB, which was 80 minus x. Now this is second equation. We have two equations in terms of two variables, h and x. We can start with dividing equation 1 by 2. We get 1 by root 3, which is the LHS of the first equation divided by LHS of the second equation, is equals to h by x divided by h by 80 minus x. We see that this gives us 1 by 3 and h cancels up and gives us 80 minus x upon x. Now this is equation only in terms of x, so we can easily find out the value of x. On cross multiplying, it gives us that 1 into x, which is x, is equals to 3 times 80 minus x, or x is equals to 240 minus 3x. On taking x on one side, x plus 3x will give us 4x is equals to 240, or x is equals to 60. On substituting this value of x in any of the equations, let's say we substitute in equation 1, we get that 1 by root 3 is equals to h by x. Since we have already found out that x is equal to 60, we say that h will be equal to x by root 3 is equals to 60 by root 3 is equal to 20 root 3 meters. Therefore, height of each of the poles, which was equal to h, is equals to 20 root 3 meters, and the distance of that point P from one pole was x, and from the other pole it was 80 minus x, so it would be 60 meters and 20 meters. This is the solution to our problem.